Alright guys, so I was down here working the other day. Didn't get any well, I had video but lost it. I deleted it by accident. But I took the power steering pump off. This is a like 96 to 90, no, 96 like 2000, 2001 Ford Explorer serpentine system. I'm gonna run it without the power steering pump. We've done it before. So it's just gonna be of course, the crankshaft, water pump, and alternator. So we ain't gonna have a belt on this side, so that frees up some room for some activities. And I got this coil mount that mounts the coil to the end of the head there. Before this, I used to have an HEI distributor in this, so I didn't have to worry about a coil, but the coil was just laying up there on the intake for testing. But got this coil mount, gonna mount it there on the end of the head, but I'm already gonna have to modify it. The coil mount itself, it's probably, well, no, because this is about the same timing cover. Anyway, the edge of the coil mount is hitting on, where's the timing cover? That's water pump. It's hitting on the edge of the the timing cover here. So I'm just gonna try to shave just a little bit off the ear of that timing cover right there. Hopefully give it enough room to work. But got my grinder ready. Can't shoot any video because I don't have nobody down here to shoot video of it, but I'll come back after I get clearance a little bit. Not the cleanest job, but it'll do for a blind man. So yeah, not the cleanest job, but it'll work, hopefully. Fixing the test fit it again and see.
Ring mode.